Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone flashlight not working issue on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix your iPhone flashlight issue on your iPhone. So guys, let's get started. So guys, solution 1 is exit the camera app on your iPhone, open and exit. So after doing this, so guys, the next method is quit all apps and restart your iPhone. So quit all apps here. So after quitting all apps, restart your iPhone. So guys, for the restart, tap on power button and volume up. So drag the slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, enter your passcode to unlock your iPhone. So guys, the next method is hard reset, force restart your iPhone. So guys, for the hard reset and force restart, tap on power button, volume up and volume down at the same time for 15 seconds when Apple logo appears. So after hard resetting your iPhone, so guys, the next method is charge your iPhone. So guys, if your battery is low, flashlight will not work. So after charging your iPhone, so guys, the next method is turn off LED flash notification. So guys, for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, scroll down, tap on audio visual, scroll down, tap on LED flash for alerts. So LED flash for alerts, tap to turn this off. So guys, after turning off, go back. So guys, the next method is perform a software update. So guys, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So check for update now. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So I have the latest iOS version now. So guys, the last method is reset your iPhone settings. So guys, for the reset, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. So reset all settings here, enter your passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix your issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.